can see how the paste. Hello and welcome to my channel. So today we are going to be making bitter leaf soup, which is also called Ofe Onugbu in Igbo language. It is a Nigerian delicacy, and these are the ingredients I'm going to be using. I have my stockfish here. These are the stockfish I'm going to be using. I'm going to be soaking it inside hot water. So these are the stockfish I'll use, and this is the bitter leaf here, and this is my goat meat that I'm going to be using. This is the crayfish, is already blended, and this is the animal skin, which is popularly called momo. That is what I'm going to be using also. And I have my cocoyam here that I'm going to be using. I'm going to be cooking it, and after cooking I'm going to pound it. So I'll take you through the process that I'm going to use. This is the cocoyam I'm going to be using. It is better you use a smaller cocoyam. You can see how this is a smaller pieces of cocoyam, because it will make it will be very soft, and it will give you the paste that you want in the soup. So it is advisable that you buy the smaller ones anytime you want to buy the cocoyam. So this is it. This is the cocoyam. It serves as the thickener. And this is my onion, and this is the pepper. I'm going to be using fresh pepper, and this is my seasoning cube. I'm using a Knorr seasoning cube. You can use any seasoning cube of your choice. And this is my palm oil here that I'm going to be using, and this is also my salt. So these are the ingredients I'm going to be using for this bitter leaf soup. And take out the fish that I need. Use the hot water so that you soften it. So this is the cocoyam, pounded cocoyam we're adding to it. Crayfish. So you can see how the pastes look like, how the soup look like after adding the cocoyam. You can see it. The cocoyam has dissolved inside the soup. So you can see how it looks. So now we are going to be adding the bitter leaf after proper washing with salt.